Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find more details about iPhone battery and its performance. So first you go to settings and then you just have to scroll down to battery and then tap on it, and then there you just tap on battery health. Since my battery needs service, so I got an important battery message that says your battery's health is significantly degraded. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. Then tap on more about service option, and then there it gives you lots and lots of details about battery health. So it gives you like the definition of peak performance capability, and and then there it gives you also like some tips on how to maintain your battery. So for people like me whose battery health is significantly degraded, I think it's very useful to read this information. So that's it. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.